everybody, welcome to my creation nook. My name's Linda and happy new year to each and every one of you. And if you're new here, my channel is mainly about crochet, knitting, book reviews, yarn hauls, and today is all about January's giveaway. It's the first Tuesday of the month, and that means it's a giveaway, guys. And as you all know, the first Tuesday of every month I do a giveaway, and it closes on the last Friday of the month. And if you just bear with me, I'll go and get my calendar because I'm not prepared. What a fool. I will be in 1 minute. I'm back. Okay guys, so it's the 4th of January, so the giveaway starts. It actually closes on the 21st. The 21st it closes, and then the winning video announcing the winner will be the following Tuesday, which will be the 25th. So guys, what have I got for you this month? As we're still in winter, I thought I'd do some bulky yarn. It's a 5 weight and it's Deramore's Anti-Pilling Studio yarn. And this colour is called aquamarine. There's 87 yards. It's 100% acrylic. You can use 9mm US 13 knitting needles, a 6.5 crochet hook, or a USK 10.5 crochet hook. So you've got 1, 2, 3 of the aquamarines, and you've got 1 called Elephant, which I thought would go really nice with the aquamarine as an accent. I think you get a beanie out of that, and maybe a cowl. And you get a little notebook and pen. And you all know, when you know our project, our bags and that, we jot notes down and that. So you've got them, and then you get a set of 3 hooks, which are 2mm, 4mm, and 5.5mm. And so that's the prize for this month, January. So you have to be 18 and over. I will pay for the prize to be sent to you, but if there are taxes or duty at your end in your country, then you're responsible for them. You need to be a subscriber of my channel, and you also need to be able to check that you are actually subscribed to my channel. So when I click to see that if you are a member of my channel, you need to make sure that I can see that you are subscribed to me. So you've got to be subscribed. You've got to leave a comment. Don't forget the thumbs up, guys. So the thumbs are just as important on any video you watch as a comment is. So if you can't leave a comment on any video, but in particular this video, I do need you to leave a comment, otherwise you won't be entered. I use YouTube's random comment picker, and all the other rules are in the description box below. I would be grateful if you could share, and because I'm always looking for new subscribers, and share me out with your friends and that. And so the word that I want you to put today in your comment is elephant. So I think that's all. So don't forget, guys, If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notifications of whenever I upload a video, which are usually Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, and I'm live on a Wednesday at 5 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, which is 12 p.m. 12 noon Eastern. So I want to wish you all a happy, healthy and creative 2022, and that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.